Alrighty, so we got some packages here for the next step for the car, for the E36, for the 1J swapped one. So we got some packages mainly just for the exhaust and the intercooler stuff. So let's start opening them up. It's mainly we got like some exhaust pipes and let me open them up real quick. I'll show you. All right, so we got a couple things from Vibrant. So we got a 3-inch straight, a 2.5-inch straight, both 18 inches long. That's gonna be for some intercooler stuff. I have some intercooler piping that I got with the swap that I should be able to utilize some of it. We also got another Vibrant 180 3-inch for the cold side, because cold side I'm gonna have 3-inch. Hot side I'm gonna have 2.5 off the turbo because I don't really want to step that far up. And then for my exhaust tip, I'm doing 3-inch straight pipe all the way out, but there's something about just a little 3-inch pipe. So, and later down the road, I want to utilize as much of this as I can, just to convert to 3.5. Most likely, I'm thinking about it right now, I'll probably just go 3.5 the whole way, just so I can future-proof it. Thing's huge, but definitely think 3.5 straight pipe is going to be just good for future power. I mean, eventually you gotta step up in exhaust size. So yeah, we got a bung for the O2 sensor. We got a little adapter because intake manifold thread pitch on JZs are BSPT, and I gotta convert to NPT just for my quick release vacuum lines for the blow off valve. Got a DEI heat wrap for the downpipe. Everything on the car is DEI heat management, so I just don't know. When it comes to heat management and stuff that like prevents heat and like fires and stuff, might as well, don't cheap out, please. Just buy the real stuff. It's really not that much more, and it's not. Yeah, I don't know. Just buy the real stuff that's proven instead of this Amazon fake stuff that's not really proven. And then we got a oil change for my Pop's truck. Just came in too, but yeah. Quality parts, that's what it's all about. All right, quick little video. I'm gonna go show you, we just got the windshield installed also, so I'm gonna show a quick video on that. Came out really good. Guy from Safelight came in, installed the windshield. It was nice and cheap, like 130 bucks. So I'll be right back and I'll show you the windshield. Alrighty, so now just giving you a little update on the JZ car. So all we're pretty much doing right now is waiting for Dean's LS Fox to come back from Stronghand, so I can pretty much do a little swap-a-roo. So bring this there, that here, and then we'll be able to work on that one to get that turbo ready to spooling up and all that, because it's mounting. It's all mounted up right now. It's looking great. So today during lunch I came by talking about the Safelight, got the windshield installed. So now I have a windshield in the car, a little update on it. We got all the glass in the car, front, rear, all that. So now I'm not worried about towing it over. So a little update. Nothing really to do on this left. I mean, once we get it back, we'll start working on it again, but right now we don't really have nothing really to do. So I'll be back with another update after we ship this car out.